So in this question, we are asked to find limit x tends to pi by 4 cosecant square x minus 2 by cot x minus 1. So on direct substitution, you can see that you're getting 0 by 0 form. So cosecant square cot. So what I try to do is, in the numerator, we know that cosecant square x is 1 plus cot square x. So let us do that substitution. So limit x tends to pi by 4, cosecant square x is 1 plus cot square x minus 2. So 1 plus cot square x minus 2 by cot x minus 1. That is equal to limit x tends to pi by 4. So cot square x plus 1 minus 2 is cot square x minus 1 by cot x minus 1. So cot square x minus 1 is cot x plus 1 into cot x minus 1. That is equal to limit x tends to pi by 4. Cot x plus 1 into cot x minus 1 by cot x minus 1. So cot x minus 1 and cot x minus 1 is getting cancelled. So the indeterminacy has been neutralized. So now we can do the direct substitution. Cot pi by 4 is 1 plus 1. The answer is